Other very relevant things to consider are with a conventional heating system, you need professionals to come in and do a specialist installation for you. If you're putting in a gas-fired air system, for example, you need specialist installers, you need gas specialist engineers to put the whole thing together. And then you need, once it's in, you need the system serviced. So it'll be made up of modules, and it might cost £300 per module per year to service that system. If you put in a water-based system, you've got boilers, you've got pipes, you need plumbers. When you're putting in an infrared solution, it's modular and completely flexible. So once you've specified it and said, okay, this is what I need, you only need electricians to bolt the heaters into the places that you're going to need the heaters. And then the control systems will do the rest for you. There's no maintenance. There's no additional costs. There's just the electricity usage, the energy usage, which we know is going to be massively less than using a different system. Then if it comes to moving, you can take the system with you if that's what you want to do. So you don't have to suffer the cost of dilapidations to a building, for example. You can just unhook your system and take it somewhere else. You can reconfigure it somewhere else. So you can, at the moment, we have the facility to separate your system in up to 30 zones, so 30 different heating areas. And those heating areas can be as big or as small as you like. It can be one heater, it can be 100 heaters per zone, and you can have up to 30 of those zones. So you've got massive flexibility. But then we can reconfigure the whole thing and set it up in a completely different way for new premises if you move premises. So you've got a heating system now that you take with you. In terms of a capital investment, it really is an investment because it's something you own and something you take. And it actually saves you money in not having to dismantle perfectly good equipment that you put into a building when the landlord wants it back as they had it in the first place.